Okay, I'm going to install a ad blocking DNS server in my Raspberry Pi virtual machine, and it's called Pi-hole. So open up a terminal, type curl dash little s, capital S, capital L, then https:// install dot pi-hole.net, and then the pipe symbol and bash. And that's going to start the install process. Okay, on the first pop-up, just hit OK. Second pop-up, OK. This one says you need a static IP. Hit continue. And I do not have a static IP right now. I want to set one up. I want to use custom values. So I'm going to select no. And then continue. And I'm going to change the IP address to 192.168.1.240, and I'm going to leave my gateway the way it is. Then click continue. The settings are correct, so click yes. And then for my upstream DNS provider, I'm going to choose Open DNS, and then OK. I want to use third-party block lists, so click yes. I want to install the web interface, so click yes. And I'm going to do the install their web server because I do not have one installed already, so click yes. I do want to enable logging, so click yes. And I want it to show everything, so I'm just going to click continue. Okay, installation is complete. Shows the address for the admin and the admin password. So you can click OK, go to a web browser, put in the IP address /admin. Enter the password it gave you. You can change it later. Okay, when you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. And here we'll be able to see all your queries, blocked queries. Okay, next I need to go to my router, which is a Nighthawk, and go to Internet under the Basic tab and IP4 Internet Setup. Scroll down to the DNS section, and I click Use these DNS servers. And under Primary DNS, I'm going to put the IP address of my Raspberry Pi. And I'm going to keep the secondary address as a backup. And my router also has a third option. And I'm going to put, I think it's Google 8.8.8.8. Then apply it. Then I'm going to check using the dig command on another machine. Dig plus short @ and the IP address of my Raspberry Pi, and then ads.google.com. If this comes back with all zeros, then you know ads.google.com is blocked and Pi-hole is working. So I'm going to go to my phone and check this out. My phone picked up the new DNS right away. You see that looks like an ad there, but as I keep scrolling down, there's one blocked, another one, a third one, and a fourth one. So it blocked 4 out of 5. And my wife's Windows 10 machine picked up the new DNS right away also. So after I've been using it for a while, you can go back to the dashboard. You can see how many queries were blocked. It's blocked 302 ads so far. And if you want more detailed information, you can go to the query log. And it'll show you the time and a list of the domains that were blocked. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.